Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's a skincare routine.
Baby, I like it, you like it, I want it, you want it, it's yours, it's yours. So baby.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Cashmere, and today I wanted to give you guys a little insight in my new skincare routine. I never really got into what I do as far as skincare on my channel up until now, but I did want to share with you guys some of the changes that I've made and share the results that I've seen so far. So for probably about the last month and a half, I've been using Urban Skin RX. I so far am absolutely in love with this skincare line. Prior to that, I have been going to an esthetician for probably about 3, almost 4 years. And based off her recommendations, I was using dermalogica, which I did see some results, but then she left the place that I was going to, and so I was kind of like stranded to fend for myself. And so I stopped going there for facials, and I started to see my skin kind of react. So just in doing research and getting some suggestions from some of my friends and just doing a little bit of research on YouTube, I came across Urban Skin RX. I had seen it and heard about it a couple of times, but never really tried it. And then I found out it was in Target, so I was like, duh, I live at Target, why not use this? I really like this line, made right out of Charlotte, which if you don't know, I lived in Charlotte for about 8.5 years. That's where I went for undergrad, so that's like home. So I decided to give this skincare line a try, and I have seen tremendous results so far. So in about a month and a half, I've seen a lot of my hyperpigmentation kind of vanish. It's going away, and I noticed the results pretty quickly. So today I just kind of wanted to share with you what I've been using as far as the skincare line. I'll pop in some pictures so that you can see some of the results over time. I think I did them in 2-week time periods, and give you guys my thoughts on the products as well. If you're new on my channel, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get right into the video. I'll include a little clip of all of the products that I have used for the past month and a half. But normally what I do is, whether it's morning or night, I start with the cleansing bar. I have tried 2 of the cleansing bars. I've been using the combination skin cleansing bar, and I've also tried the clear skin cleansing bar. And I really have noticed results in both of them, and I kind of switch out the 2 just periodically so that my skin isn't getting used to either one. So the one that I'm going to be using today for the purpose of this video is the clear skin, and it just looks like this. And then you get the little pads, they come like this. So all I do, I make sure that the pad is wet, and then I insert it into here. You can kind of see I've been using it clearly. But yeah, so I just kind of rub that around a little bit and let the pad kind of lather up, and then, get all that good stuff. Normally I do this in the shower, so because I'm not doing it in the shower, I want to make sure that it's pretty wet, and then it just looks like this. And I just get to cleaning, honey. So I just do it all over my face. It does have a slight smell. It smells kind of like, I don't know, medicine almost, kind of. This smells a little bit more medicated than the combination one. The combination one doesn't smell as medicated. It kind of reminds me more of like a black soap bar. And I did my brows, so we are not going to wipe the brows off for this video because it ain't that kind of party. Okay. So, yeah. Oh, not on the lace, boo. Not on the lace. Okay. So, yeah. I just kind of get all up in there. And so the instructions say that you can let this sit on your skin for up to 3 minutes and almost kind of use it like it's a mask. But I'm not going to do that. Normally I do that in the shower. I'll wash my face first and then let it sit. And then once I'm finished washing the rest of my body or doing whatever I need to do, I go back and rinse it off. So yeah. So we're here, boom. So you can let it sit on your face like this for up to 3 minutes, or you could go ahead and rinse it off. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off. Skin is clean. Next, what I do is I go in with the Clear and Even Tone clarifying wipes, and I use these twice a day. I just take one wipe after I wash my face, and I go over it with everything to kind of clarify the skin. And I really, really like this because I'm able to make sure that I have my skin is completely cleaned. So I just go over everything. And the pad don't lie, it'll tell you if you still got some stuff on your face. Okay. Okay. So after I do that, depending on if it is night or day will determine my next step. So for probably about the first month, I'm not gonna lie. Well, I'm still using this, but so I go in next with the Glow Serum, and it is the Even Tone Super Glow Serum. It looks like this, and I love this stuff. It smells like oranges, I'm not gonna lie. It kind of tingles, slightly burns just a little bit, but nothing like unbearable. But what you do is you just get you about this much. I normally don't even use all of this. And so I go in, make sure your hands are clean too. But I just put a little bit on my cheeks and kind of rub it in. So one thing I recently learned is that you only do the serum at night. So I have been doing this day and night, y'all, and just because I thought that was like the whole skincare routine. And I recently had a makeup artist give me some tips on my makeup. I'll do a video on that too. Let me know if you're interested. And so I had noticed that my skin was looking super oily and like through my makeup, and I didn't know why. I mean, I know I have combination skin, but it was like oily. And I was like, in my head, I was just like, I'm glowing, okay. But she said, no, you only use the serum at night. And I was like, oh, well, that makes so much sense, guys. So yeah, for the purpose of this video, I'm showing you this, but normally I would not do this if it was daytime. But anyway, so once the serum is in, I just kind of let it go into my skin. And so then next what I do is I go in with the Radiant and Bright Glowing Moisturizer. I just started using this like halfway through this like month and a half, but I love this stuff. I use this as a moisturizer. And it also smells like oranges. It has vitamin C in it. But yeah, so I just kind of put that on my skin, on my fingers, and just kind of put that all over. I'm gonna try to go up. So once I'm done with that, I go in with the Complexion Protection Moisturizer. This has SPF in it. And I just do like one pump of this. And I kind of just put it all over and then just rub it in. And then that's it. Normally, once I finish doing this, I would go to sleep. If it's at night, I don't use the SPF. I only use the serum and the moisturizer. During the day, I don't use the serum, but I use the moisturizer and the SPF. So if that kind of makes sense. But I really want to just show you guys what I do and like how I put it on and everything. So as far as like a final review, so I love this stuff. Like I said before, I was using Dermalogica, and I don't really have any complaints about Dermalogica, but it kind of dawned on me that the esthetician was suggesting that product because that's like the contract with the salon that I was going to. So I was like, well, let me try to find something that's, you know, meant for more melanin, you know. So that's how I came across Urban Skin RX, and I'm hooked. I have zero complaints. Like it has been working. To the point where I don't even use foundation anymore, and that kind of goes into my new beauty routine. But I don't even use foundation on my skin anymore because my skin has cleared up that much. I still have some slight hyperpigmentation that is fading, and this is already lighter like after probably a week or two. But yeah, I don't use foundation anymore. I'm only using a tinted moisturizer on my skin, and it makes such a big difference. Like, and it's so funny because like my coworkers and stuff can notice a difference in my skin. And when I put my makeup on now, it feels a lot more lightweight because I'm not using the foundation. So yeah, I have zero complaints. I highly suggest that you guys go and get you some. It's in Target. I know here it was kind of a little bit challenging to find it in store, and I actually ended up ordering some of the products directly from the website because the shelves are like wiped out. I went to like 2 or 3 different Targets and it was sold out. They do sell it in Ulta, but when I went to Ulta, the products that I wanted was sold out as well. So you gotta get it when you can. Like if I go to Target, I always check the aisle, and I just go ahead and stock up on whatever I need just so that I'm not going without, because it works. It's that good, like seriously. And this isn't sponsored or anything, but it could be. I'll let you girl. But yeah, I just really love this product. So I wanted to share it with you guys, and I got it, and I knew that I was going to end up doing this video for you guys. So I wanted to just kind of come and give you guys an update on that and share this past month and a half what I've seen from the products. That pretty much is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you have tried Urban Skin RX and what your experience has been, or what products you use for your skincare routine. Apparently the serum is something that was really missing from my routine, and I had really always kind of looked at serums like it was oily. I thought it was like oily, and I already knew I had combination oily skin, so I just tried to stay away from it anyway. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think if you try the products, or what products you currently are using, and what's your favorites in your skincare routine. But that is it. Let me know if you guys want to see an updated makeup routine, because the old one for just act like that never happened. I don't hardly do any of that stuff anymore. And people have kind of asked me a couple of times to do an eyelash routine. I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to record that, so that's the only reason I haven't done it yet. And my lashes and my brows. But yeah, it's coming. Let me know if you guys want to see more hair videos, because my channel is not going to be all thrifting. Okay, even though I do it and I love it a lot, I don't want that to be the main focus of the channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Yes, come through.
Baby, I like it, you like it, I want it, you want it, it's yours, it's yours. So baby, I like it, I want it, you want it, it's yours. Say you're gonna make me have to pull up on you, pull up,